Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks, another video. So today's video is going to be about, well, basically my big flashlight. This is the one I keep in my vehicle bag, my duty bag. It kind of travels with me everywhere I go. It's fantastic for using at night. It's got a really long throw and it's super bright. This thing comes in at a whopping 3,500 lumens, which is just great for everything, really. So this is the Streamlight ProTac HL-5X. It comes in about $100. I think I got this one for 95. You know, I caught it on a deal. Its head is aluminum and the most of the body's aluminum, and it's covered with like a rubberized kind of coating. Super durable, stupid bright, and it also has a couple of different features: strobe, and then low, and even the low is still at 250 lumens, which is still considerably bright. So this thing uses their dual fuel technology. And I really like that because it allows me to use CR123 batteries, which I just have tons of, and then their 18650 batteries, which I also really like. And this is one of them right here. It actually has an integrated USB, micro USB slot right there, so you can actually charge these on the go, which I think is fantastic, right? But I'm glad they put them on the batteries, and let me tell you why. I've seen a lot of flashlights that have like a little USB slot somewhere, you know, on it where you can recharge the flashlight as a whole. Now, if that little cover gets ripped off or water gets in there or sand or mud or whatever, it just totally makes that USB slot basically useless until you can clean it out, or at worst case scenario, it fries your flashlight and you can't use it at all. And neither one of those options is good to me. This one is what I would consider built for pretty rough use. It's pretty durable. It only comes in at a little bit over a pound. I think it's 1 pound, 3 ounces, around there. It's not too heavy, but you could still really give somebody a good smack with this one. It's got a, you know, what do they call it? Crenulated bezel. And this is glass. It's very well made. It's durable. It's waterproof, and it's awesome. There's a couple of features I could probably do without. It does come with their 10-tap programming, and you can change it from like high, strobe, to low, kind of what I have it set right here. High only, and then low, medium, and high. I'm going to be changing this one after using it for a while to low, medium, high. I really have no use for the strobe feature, and I kind of find that on most flashlights. I just have no use for a strobe. It does come with a couple of pretty good specs. Now with the 18650 batteries on high, you're getting the full 3500 lumens, and according to their specs, it's a 452 meter beam. Like, you can see pretty far with this thing. At that strength, at that high power, it runs for about an hour and a half, which is still pretty good considering how much, you know, how much light you're getting out of this thing. Now out of the CR123A batteries, you're only getting about 2500 lumens, so you are losing some lumens there, and it's only got a 385 meter beam, and it still runs for about an hour and a half. Now medium is 1000 lumens, and that runs for about 2.5 hours. Low is 250 lumens, and that runs for about 10.5 hours. I mean, that's like left on 10.5 hours. I think that's pretty good. And then strobe, it says it runs about an hour and a half for both. It's like I said, the strobe is not really a great feature I would consider. It's an awesome flashlight. You can use it in a vehicle, you can use it to wave down help, you can use it when you're hunting, you can use this thing as a freaking spotlight. I mean, it's a laser beam. It's insane. I like that the button is here and not at the end, because it's not a handheld, right? I mean, you have to hold this thing. It's substantial. It comes in at, I think, an overall length about 9.5 inches, and the head right here, its size is about what is it? I think it's about 2.5 inches, 2.4, something like that. And then the body diameter here is about 1.25 inches, about 1.25 inches right here at the smallest. So really not too bad. It's comfortable in the hand. It's got good grip. It's got good battery life. The batteries are rechargeable, so you don't have to buy them all the time. And it's bright and it's useful. Now, the reason I'm kind of detailing this is, one, I really like it. And two, whenever I was talking about my second giveaway, third, fourth, I don't remember what it is. Anyway, my 556 subscriber giveaway, I'm going to be doing, you know, this flashlight and a couple other goodies that'll probably be, now not this flashlight, I'm gonna send you a brand new one. I'm not gonna send you my used and abused Streamlight. I'm gonna send you a brand new flashlight along with a couple of other goodies that I think a enlightened individual could use. You know, nothing shady, nothing illegal or anything like that, but you know, I think it's something that every man should have, and I think that it would go along great with this flashlight in any kit. So this is going to be the flashlight that I'm going to be giving away. I know it's kind of a monster, but who has time for small flashlights, right? Let's go big or go home. This is Texas, goddammit. But anyway, guys, hope you really enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but you know, I'm starting to get back into the swing of things, and I hope you guys will join me for the future endeavors of this channel. So anyway, guys, stay safe out there, take care of yourselves, wash your hands, get training, know your gear, replace your batteries every once in a while, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Hey there, guys, welcome back to Coptalks, another video. So today's video is going to be about kind of like my big flashlight, basically. So I carry this one in my patrol vehicle. It's a Streamlight HL, I forgot the name. Shit. Okay, hold on. We're gonna start this right again. It's on the grip. And by that, I mean, of course, there's a guy out there with a fucking truck revving his engine. Jesus Christ.